This truck is 5 ton, so it's a real truck. The engine is a 4-cylinder inline, 4.8 liter, 800 Newton meter torque from 800 RPM going to 1005 RPM. So this is the big advantage. So we have two type of gear, low gear and high gear, 6 speed each, reverse. And we have deflating and inflating system automatically from inside the cabin. So that is a huge advantage because with the weight, in the sun, if you don't deflate. And there is a program that is asked by the military, but you can use as a civilian version. There is 3 programs. You have one pre-selected tire pressure for highway, for hard gravel track and for dune. So you just press and the tire will go at the setup. So it's 2 bar for the dune, 3 bar for the gravel and 4.5 bar for the highway.
What's it made of? What materials?
Most is steel, and we have some carbon fiber inside. But why is it steel? Because this car can tow or can load like 3.5 ton. So
what's the weight of the car?
5 ton, and you can go until 9 ton.
Till 9 tons?
Yeah, because it can be armored.
Armored as well.
Yeah, so it's only 2 ton with armored with machine gun, but this version is 5 ton like is it, but it's civilian version and with racing seats, belt, AC and radio. Because we will do the desert challenge this year with this car, but as a service vehicle, just to introduce and to have some image and media to cover, because our project will start in September in Pharaon Rally. And next year we'll do 3 rounds of the FIA World Championship and 2012 Dakar. So, yeah, the performance is 240 horsepower, not much, and the top speed is 140.
140 kilometers?
Yeah, kilometers per hour. That it was limited due at the request of the army and the version. I think we will go until 150 according to the rule of Dakar or FIA, that the truck can reach 150.
If you compare this vehicle to the H1, so you have a much higher ground clearance, you have a higher torque, 800 Newton meter, from 1200 RPM up to 1800 RPM, so flat torque. You have, after, in terms of capacity in the desert, the slope capacity is 100%, so you can climb 45 degrees, whether the H1 would be a 60% only. So that's basically the objective of this car is to be a desert killer. The H1 has been produced first in 1984. This unit has been produced first in 2007. So we are in a much modern vehicle, and that's why we have been chosen by NATO, because nowadays that's the most modern vehicles that you can find for the desert.
Is this sold as a road vehicle anywhere else?
No, not yet. Not yet. And yet in the region it's not sold as a road vehicle. It will be homologated for the region, and we just started the commercialization. So it's a built-on-purpose vehicle, so on order.
But it's going to go on sale here at some point as a road vehicle?
Yes, it's already. If you have some people interested, we can sell it. Because you have 3 basic versions, you have 1 station wagon version and 2 pickup version, 1 long and 1 short. So that's the basics. Depending on what you put inside and the type of vehicles you want, the price range will be totally different. So it's really built on purpose. It's difficult to give any price range.
The starts from?
It will be the same type of price range than the H1 when it started production in the 90s.